Alright, I've opened up the first 11 packs of this box of Topps Heritage High Number. The big hit thus far, of course, is the Evan Longoria Chrome card. So let me shut up and get to the rest of the box. 13 more packs to go. Pack number 12, I got Brian Schneider, Gerald Laird, Ben Francisco, Brian Moeller, Jason Michaels, former Phil, a Seattle Mariner team card, and All-Stars of Joe Nathan and Dan Herron. Pack 13, Cody Ross, JoJo Reyes, Damian Easley, a blackback of Jeff Samardzija, should be a good card, a then and now of Mike Lowell and Larry Sherry, a chrome of Kerry Wood, and Carlos Villanueva, and a combo card of Josh Hamilton and Carlos Guillen. Chris Davis, Joel Pinheiro. Alright, Greg Dobbs of your world champion Phillies. Brandon Lyon, Brian Boucher, Sean Gallagher, a Dan Uggla, the guy who fucked up the All-Star game, and Russell Martin All-Star. Still haven't gotten my autograph yet, or relic. Aaron Miles, Max Scherzer, John Baker, Cliff Floyd. Alright, I have a chrome refractor of Jamie Wright. That's number to 559. A New York Mets checklist. Oh wait, that Cliff Floyd was a blackback. And Wilson Betterment and Ichiro All-Star. Wilson Betterment, wow. That guy's still playing ball. Seems like every pack I opened in 2001 had a Wilson Betterment rookie card. Chris Volstad. Darren Erstad, this guy's still playing. Matt Diaz. The Houston Astros. Carlos Mormal, blackback, who carried my fantasy team this year. Thank you. And AJ Pierzynski Chrome. And a Shelley Duncan and Brandon Webb updates and highlights. Alright. Now we're on to the right deck of the packs. Last 8. See if I can get these in 6.5 minutes. Brett Gardner, Denard Span, Brian Anderson, Sean Gallagher, a blackback of Doug Mankiewicz, and a chrome of Johnny Cueto. Whatever happened to this guy? That guy got off to such a great start and he just faded. Solomon Torres, who just retired, and Kerry Wood All-Star. Nick Punto, Adam Kennedy, Marco Scutero, Cliff Floyd, a Dallas Braden blackback, a Rod Barajas chrome refractor, and Brian Moeller and an A-Rod All-Star. Ben Zobrist, Marcus Thames, a Matt Macri, the Mariners, Angel Baroa, black, Miguel Montero, Sean Casey, And a Deoner Navarro All-Star. About 5 more packs to go. Mike Lamb, Rob Quinlan, Solomon Terez, David DeLucci, blackback of Jeremy Sowers, a chrome of Mike Gonzalez, and Fatolo Colon, and Chase fucking Utley. Good job. Good job, Chase. Johnny Gomes, Cleet Thomas, Eric Hinsky, John Buck, Gregoro Pettit, Ryan Langerhans, and Ryan Ludwig, and Jolbert Cabrera. Carlos Gonzalez, Mike Napoli, Mike Redmond blackback. Alright, here's our hit. A Curtis Granderson game-used pants card. Nobody buys this for game jerseys anyway, so screw it. A chrome of Joakim Soria, and Guillermo Mota and Carlos Zambrano. 2 more packs to go. Jose Castillo, Mike Aviles, Mark Ellis, Ramon Vasquez, Carlos Marmol, the Blue Jays, a Joey Votto highlight, a Joe Saunders All-Star. And final pack. Get out. Brandon Boggs, Mike Jacobs, Mike Gonzalez, Ryan Friel, a blackback of Kelly Sopich, Kevin Slowey, and Raul Chavez and Dustin Pedroia. Alright, so there you have it. I got, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 of the blacks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chromes and 2 refractors. A game-used pants card. I wonder what part of the pants these are from. Or do I want to know? 2 flashback inserts. 2 rookie performers. 2 then and nows. And of course, the 3 big rookie cards everyone's after. Bruce, Kosfu, and Evan Longoria. Oh, and a Steve Bilko buyback. And of course, last but not least, 24 sticks of bubblegum. Yay! Anyway, not bad for 65 bucks. I like it. I always thought that the one thing that has always been missing from this brand was an update. I mean, can you imagine if they had put out an update set in 2001 with a Pujols and a Suzuki rookie card in it? That would have been awesome. But it took them 7 years, but they finally got around to it. So, thumbs up, Topps. I'm out.